let me show you how pre-increment and post-increment actually work behind the scenes. Let's start with pre-increment. The implementation of pre-increment is: what happens? First, the value of x is increased by 1, and then the new value is returned. Simple and straightforward. Now, let's look at post-increment. This time, the current value of x is saved in a temporary variable x is increment after, and the original value is returned first. So, pre-increment changes the value before it's used, and post-increment uses the value first, then changes it. Alright, let's break down this tricky Java code using increment operators. First, ++ x is a pre-increment, meaning it adds 1 to x before using it. So, x goes from 5 to 6. Next, we have x++, which is a post-increment. It uses the current value of x, which is still 6, and then increases x by 1 after it's used. X is now 12, and x++ has increment x to 7 after the expression was evaluated, but this does not affect the value of x in the result of the expression. This prints 12 because that's the result of the expression.